Good morning, my dear students. My name is Palash বিশ্বাস, Assistant Professor, JIS College of Engineering. And the previous classes already discussed the modern concept of quality management. And today lecture we have to give in the contributions of the quality masters. And basically this is my third lecture. And some outlines also will be required during to this the contribution of this the quality masters and the contribution of the Joseph M. Juran and the contribution of Crosby. And basically the previous classes already we have to discuss during to this the modern concept of this quality management and including to this the Deming principles also will be the discussed also the discussed in this the previous classes. And today's classes we can be discuss the contribution of Joseph M. Juran and also the Crosby. And the contribution of Joseph M. Juran we have to discuss. The Juran was the first to write about the cost of poor quality, and basically the poor quality or the good quality, this will be concentrated according to this the quality management. Because of the your good quality product, you have to consistency in your market value, and also you have to reach to this the customers, and also customer satisfaction also will be required during to this the good quality product. And also the poor quality product, this the product cannot be accepted in our markets. For this the this will be the very much essential for this the poor quality and also the good quality. And this was started by his the Juran trilogy, and approach to cross functional management, which is composed of the three managerial process also will be considered according to this the quality planning, quality control, and the quality improvement also will be concentration. And according to this the contribution of this M. Joseph Juran will be concentrated according to the voice of the customers. That means the customer voice, and the internal customers also will be essential, and the cost of quality and the quality, and also the Juran trilogy and the Juran 10 step to quality improvement, break through concept, and Pareto principles also will be concentrated according to this the Joseph Juran. And the first we have to discuss the Juran trilogy. And what is the Juran trilogy is the concentrate. The Juran trilogy, also called the quality trilogy, was present by the Dr. Joseph M. Juran in 1986 as means to manage for quality. The traditional approach to quality at that time was based on quality control, but today the trilogy has become the basis for most quality management based practice around the world. In essence, the Juran trilogy is the universal way of thinking about quality. It fits all function, all levels, and all products, and the service lines also will be concentrated according to this the Juran trilogy. And this will be concentrated. The attains quality, and it is a well to being by the establishing the vision of for the organizations along with the policies and goals. And you can see that this is the three things also will be concentrated on. Things will be concentrated according to this the planning, improvement, and also this is the control. And this is the three concept will be the concentrated. And what is the planning? And the first, the each and every places is the every things that, like the suppose you have to a building is construction, and first you have to record to this the planning properly. And then the planning, quality planning is the very much essential, because this is the also your the concentrate to your the industrial planning, and according to it the industry, and you have to concentrate the how much time stands in our the environment, and also the marketplace. You have to concentrate according to this the plan. Suppose a few production engineer, that like the suppose your the production company also will be concentrated the this is the much more essential product also will be produced, but you cannot be concentrate according to this the long run, and also the few profit will be taken from these markets, and this company also the escape from this the markets. And this is the on type of planning also will be here. And another the company also we can see that this is the customer satisfaction also will be the very much essential. This will be the importance is the given to the customer satisfaction, and also the customer acceptability. And then this is the record to this the planning. The which this will be the long run business process, or the short term business process you have to concentrate according to the long run business process. Then your planning also will be the according to this the long run process. And also you have to concentrate your this quality, the good quality product you have to produce, and the product cost now will be the essential. Okay, and you have to concentrate according to this good quality product. And another things also will be concentrate. The not is the required to reach the all person in our world, in our country, because the all parts. The whole person cannot be accept your product, because this is the product cost will be high, but this is the good quality product, and this will be taken to this used by this the good quality customers also will be accepted your product, and then you have to survive to this the long run according to your the customer this quality customer satisfaction. And another things also will be concentrate, and the few places you have to the not is the rich person is the lie on this the markets and the region, but this is the only the very poor person will be the live on this places. And also you have to concentrate according to your the product produce the in between of this the rich man and the poor man, and in between of this the two persons you have to given the concentrate the your product quality, the average product quality also will be given, but this the not will be the high cost also will be essential, you have to given to this the low cost, and your product not will be rejected from this the customers. Okay, and this will be concentrated to this the planning, and then the first is the required to this the planning is the very much more essential. And another thing is that, and your planning is completed, then you have to record to your this the product quality improvement. And also the suppose you have to putting this the your the plan, and then your plan will be required to this the successful during to this the implement by this the by your this company, for this will be required to this the improvement on your this the quality planning. And then another thing, so also your product will be produced, and but you have to record to this the control of your quality, and your quality not will be controlled, then your product and also not will be survive in this environment. And suppose you have to launch this market the first times, the best quality product will be launched, and also you have to take these markets, and again you have to establish the bad quality product, and not will be control your the quality. And first times your product is the launch in markets, then you have to give this good quality product, and also you have to the market is take up, and also you have to give supply this the bad quality product or the average quality product, not you and then your product is the rejected from this the customers, and this will be very much essential for this your quality is control, and either your product cannot be survive in our the society or including this the markets. And for this the underlying concept, that is that managing for the quality consists of the three universal process also will be concentrated, and the quality planning, that means the quality control, quality improvement. And also this is the sometimes we have to concentrate according to the Lean Six Sigma, concentration also will be controlled by this process. And also the Juran trilogy diagram is often presented as the graph with time in the horizontal axis and the cost of poor quality on the vertical axis also will be concentrated. And you can see this is the Juran trilogy, you have to given this one, and this is the one is the cost of poor quality, and the quality planning and the quality control during this the operations, this will be the horizontal axis also will be concentrated. And this is the lessons learned. And another things also will be the begin times you have to concentrate, and the quality improvement you have to record to this when your product will be launched in your market, and again your reach to this the customers, and also you have to given to this the feedback from the customers, and this feedback according to this the customers feedback you have to improve your this the product quality. And then your the product quality you have to improve, then you have to your customer satisfaction also will be the improvement, because of the your customer considers this is the according to this the customers review, and another the product is the comparison to this the markets, then your product also will be the good quality product, then your product is the survive in our country in our the markets. And also the original zone of this the quality control also will be concentrated according to this middle zone, the original zone of this the quality controls, and this will be recorded. And because of all this the monopoly concentration according to these customers, then you have to concentrate, not will be long, not so much, the long time also will be essential, this product will be product life, and you have to given to this the average product life, and also the this average life, that this product also will be the good lucrative, and also that this will be the comparatively to this the another product is the very good, that like our the MI phone in our this the market, and the or MI phone, this will be the features also will be good, and also the lucrativeness also will be the good, and according to this the comparison to this the Samsung mobile phone, but this is the features also will be higher from this the Samsung mobile phone to this the MI phone, and but the according to this the smoothness, and also the this is the soft sound, and another things, and sometimes these phones not will be the overheated heat generated on this the Samsung mobile phone, but this is the MI mobile phone will be the high heat generated, and this is the difficulties, but the this cost will be less from this the Samsung mobile phone to this the MI phone, and also this is the high configuration also will be found from this the same cost, and for this these customers also will be take very easily, and the customers also will be survey, then the on mobile phone life is the more than 2 to 3 years, and during to these times this MI phone will be survive the 2 to 3 years is the very easily, there is no difficulties arise during to these times, and for this these phones will be the survive in our environment, just like the each and young generation also concentrate according to this the MI mobile phone, not as the Samsung mobile phone, and this is the very much difficult, and another things also will be concentrate according to this the Samsung mobile phone, the quality also will be good from this the MI phone, but this is the concentrate to this the above middle age persons, okay, and the age of this person is the 40 to 50 years, this person also accepted the Samsung mobile phone, because of this person also will be concentrate not with the volume is high, and this is the phone will be soft, and also the very easily used, and few things, not will be the high configuration camera also will be record this person also will be used to this the user friendly system also will be concentrated, then this type of phone also will be served, then for this the according to your this the planning, and also the quality control, this is the much more essential, and the MI phone also will be the control your the quality, this will be survive to the 3 to 4 years, this is the very much easy, and the again the during after these times these customers also will be the volatile mentality, and or this will be the monopoly market concentration, this is the reject this old phone, also this phone will be the reimbursement also, this will be the record to the dumping place also will be required, and for these phones also will be revived back to this the company during to this the different online mode selling systems also will be there, and this will be essential, and another thing also according to you the control your this quality, and then quality control, and also the improvement also will be quality, then you have to given to this the new generation, and also you have to given to this the new product in our the environment, and for this you have to record to this the new zone, or this the quality control is the very much essential, and Dr. Juran quality planning roadmap also is given in this year, and the existing product and process also will be the very much essential, the existing product, and also this will be record to this the identify customers, and the customers identification also will be very much required, this existing product, which type of customers will be accepted, and also the market forecasting also will be the essential for your this identifying of the customers, and also the list of customers also will be very much essential, the which places and also which type of customer is used in our product and in our existing product, and another thing that you can see this is the more than max to max which persons also will be used in our this product, this is the very much essential, and that like the our Times of India newspaper also will be concentrated, the who suppose the 1 lakhs or the 13 lakhs people also will be read or the newspaper, this will be the data also will be collected from the the customers, this will be the identification of the customers, and the list of customers also will be available according to this the on yearly system also will be there. During to the daily basis you have to take in the newspaper, and the 1 year you have to give in some rupees, and also this system will be concentrated. This is the listed of customers is very easily the which suppose the 12 lakhs people will be concentrate according to this one, and then you have to concentrate according to this the list of customers also will be required. And another thing is the discover customer needs. Discover the customer needs is the very another essential things also will be the customer needs also, the which things will be required to the customers. This is the for this these things will be concentrated according to the market survey, and according to the market survey, and also the customer review will be the essential for these things. And during to the market survey you have to concentrate the which type of features and which type of things also will be required to the customers, and the customer needs in their language. And you have to record, suppose you have to your product will be launched those places, but you cannot be understand this people language. For this you have to concentrate to this the one person who will be convert your language to the your language. Then for this customer needs this will be disclosed for this the own language. This will be the essential. And the translate also will be can translate this customer language to the company language. And also this will be very much essential. The customer needs in our language, this is the essential. And the established units of the measures, and the unit measurement also will be the very much more essential. The which type of units also will be concentrated to this and this will be the established also will be here. The units of measures, this is the established measurements the customer needs. Unit of the customer needs also will be recorded to this the measurement. And also you have to record the all things. This will be concentrated according to this the cost of your product, and your product cost, and in the sense of your this customer needs, this will be satisfied, then your product will be survive in your the market very much easily. There is no extra hazard environment will be created when you have to customer needs will be fulfilled by your this fulfill according to the customers measurements according to your units. And the customer needs for units of measures, and this will be require customer needs in the units of measure also will be required. And then you have to develop a product, and according to your this customer service. Suppose the different type of the vehicles you can see the few days later in suppose below 20 years those the car will be product in your this company, but this after 20 years this product cannot be taken by this customer, because this will be the old model concentration also will be there. And according to this the customer needs, and this product you have to some modification also will be required, and you have to modify some things, and then you have to not the same type of product will be launched in the markets. Then modifications, and also you have to develop the new product, and for this will be develop product concentration also will be there. And the product features also will be concentrated, and these features will be the good quality product, and also this good quality products will be some the looks lucrativeness also will be the less. Then you have to give in some extra lucrativeness, and also you have to develop the new product, and also the product feature also will be good from the previous type of products. And this is the very much essential. And optimized product design also will be the concentrate. Suppose your this product design, the product design not will be the very good, then you have to given some difficulties. Given some difficulties for this, your product quality is not so good. Then you cannot be survive in your market, and then also will be some difficulties is arise. Some difficulties is arise, and then you have to concentrate. You have to concentrate the all things according to your this customer requirements, and then you cannot be survive properly. And also the product features also will be the much more essential, and the product optimized product design also will be the much more essential, because of you have to the product cost, and also the product quality, the all things also will be concentrated according to the optimization of this the product design. And the product product goods also will be pockets goods also will be required according to this the concentration, and the develop process also you will be required. The which type of product you have to develop, and also the develop process will be the concentrate according to your this the system. The suppose the you have to produce to this the mass production system, and also the batch production system also will be concentrated. The which process you have to use. Suppose the which type of layout also will be used. The line types or the batch types also. These things the product layout you have to concentrate according to this the development of this the process, and the process phases also will be much more essential. And the optimize the process capacity also will be the concentrate according to this your this system. The process ready to transfer, and suppose your one process also will be required for this the transfer the your optimized product quality also will be the required, and also this will be required to the process ready to transfer from your materials from the one place to this the another place, and also you have the product transfer to this the operations, and also required to this the operation systems also will be done. Your product will be required to this the process ready to produce, and also during to this the process also will be done to ready to produce your the product, and also this process also will be concentrated according to this the transfer of the operations. The all things also will be mentioned according, and after that this product will be continuously produced will be there. And the classification classified of this cost of the four types of this cost also will be the concentrate according to this the classification of this the cost of quality. And the cost of quality generally classified into the four categories. The one is the external failure cost also will be the concentration. The another is the internal failure cost, the inspection appraisal cost, and the prevention cost also will be the concentrate according to this the cost of quality. And during to this the cost of quality you have to the concentrate is the four times. And the external failure cost, this external failure cost the cost associated with defects found after the customer receives the product or service. Example, processing customers complaints, customer returns, warranty claims, the product resale, etc. And suppose you have to give the delivery your the product to this the customers, about your customers is the this product will be trying to use, and also these customers just in the ones suppose the one defects also will be there, and this is the failure. And during to this the failure, this product will be required to this the return to this the return to the sale of this the production house, and then this is the customer complaints also will be concentrated according to this the external failure, and the customer return, and also this will be the warranty period. This product will be required to this again the another type of product will be reached to this the customers, and also this will be the return to this the customers, and also the replacement of the concentration according to this the external failure cost also will be concentrated. And this is the external failure, and this cost also will be much more essential. And also this will be this cost will be quality cost also will be the high quality cost also will be concentrated according to this the external failure cost. And the internal failure cost also will be concentrated to this the internal failure cost, the cost associated with the defects found before the customer receives the product or service. And the example, scrap reworks re-inspections also will be the retesting materials, review materials down drawer also will be concentrated according to this the internal failure cost. The internal failure cost, the cost with the defects found the before the customer receives. Suppose the your product will be required to this the given to the transfer to the customers, but you have to given the not will be sent to this the customers, and you have to concentrate that this type of product will be some defect or the damage also will be concentrated, and then you cannot be supplied to this type of product to this the customers. And also the you have to concentrate that this will be the internal failure cost also will be the concentrate, and the retestings also will be required during to this type of cost, and the materials review also will be concentrated to this the internal failure cost. And the another things is the very essential for the inspection, the appraisal cost also will be there, the cost incurred to the determining the degree of conformance to quality requirements, the measuring, the evaluating of or auditing also will be concentrated. The example inspection, testing process or the service audits also will be the concentrated according to this the inspection appraisal cost, and the collaborations of this measuring and the test equipment also will be concentrated according to this the inspection appraisal cost. The cost incurred to this the determine the degree of conformance the quality requirements, and this will be the few things also will be measuring, evaluating or this the auditing, and this is the inspection cost also will be the required to this the testing process, service audits, and the all things also will be concentrated according to this the inspection and appraisal cost. And the another thing is the prevention cost also will be the essential. This is the prevention cost, that means that you have to prevent some the incurred prevent. Suppose you not will be supplied to this the customers and or not will be returned back to this the company, then you have to record to this type of some prevention cost also will be recorded. The cost incurred to prevent the keep failure and the appraisal cost to a minimum poor quality. Okay, and suppose the not will be cost to a minimum, you have to poor quality, not is the and also the new poor quality. Example, suppose the new product review will be concentrated the quality planning, and the supplier survey also will be concentrated to this, and the process review also will be concentrated the quality improvement teams, and the education and the training also will be concentrated, and sometimes you have to give in to this the education and also the training to this the production unit manager as like the worker, you have to give in some training, and also this will be the some education also will be given to this the prevention of this the your few types of the failure cost, and also the internal external failure cost also will be reduced. Then you have to record to this the prevention of this type of prevention cost also will be recorded for this the quality improvement teams. And this is the basically the four types of cost also will be the quality cost also will be the concentrate. And another thing is the Juran's contribution also will be here. This is the Juran's three basic step of this progress, and the as if the structured improvements on a continual basis combined with the dedications and sense of urgency, and establish and extension training program also will be the concentrate, and established the commitments and the leaderships are the part of this higher management also will be concentrated, and the Juran's 10 step to quality improvement also will be the concentrated by this this will be the build awareness of both of the needs to improvement for improvements and the opportunities for the improvements, and the step goals for the improvement also will be concentration. The step goes for improvement. You have to few steps will be required for this the improvement. The suppose you have to given some adjustment, and suppose you have to given some this the one composition also will be concentrated to this the improvements, and the set of goals for this the required for the to improvement of the quality, and also this will be given to the or this the customer satisfaction. The organized to meet the goals that have been set, and this will be suppose your the product also will be the good quality, and this is your the customer the fully satisfied for your the product, and also the this is the there is the no question for your this the quality, and suppose the 5-star rating quality also will be the concentrate the today, and this is the organized to meet the goals that the have to have been set the and also the provide the training also will be required, that this is the you have to provide training to this the worker, and also the quality team also will be required to this the some training. The implement the projects aimed at solving the problem also will be concentrated, and the report progress also will be concentrated to this the to these things, and another give the recognitions, and sometimes we have to record to this some recognition also will be essential, because suppose you are the worker is the want some recognition for your the company manager, this will be given some respects for this this type of product is a good quality product, and there is the no defect or the no fear also will be concentrated to this the to this the lever, and for this will be required some recognitions, and another is the communicate results also will be required, and sometimes the your the good quality product launch in your this markets, and suppose your product is the launch your market, but your the labor and this the worker and also your the quality team not will be known, and the your product also launch your market, and also your the customer satisfaction or the customer feedback is the very good, but but this is the this type of result will be displayed to this also the communicate to your this the product quality team, also the production team, and for this will be record to the communicate results and the keep score also will be given. The maintain momentum by building improvements into the company's regular system also will be concentrated to the mountain the momentum by building improvement into the company regular system also will be concentrated. And another thing, the breakthrough concept also will be concentrated by this the Juran. The like Deming cycles, the Juran breakthrough concept itself with the product service life cycles also will be concentrated. The instance is split it up into the two areas, the journey from the symptoms to causes, and basically the journey from the symptom to causes. And suppose in our the product will be the defect is the concentrate and your defect to how this product will be the defect, and you have to require to this the chain will be back and back to this the for this will be the journey from the symptom to causes will be the much more essential. And this is the one thing. Another thing, journey from the cause to remedy, and this will be concentrate. Suppose your product will be the defect is found, and this is the concentrate to this the zero defect, then this product will be first goes to this the how this product will be the this type of defect will be arrive, and this will be first you have to the cause is the searching to this the cause, the how why this product will be the damage, and another things the how this type of damaged products also will be record to this the remedy, and then your product also will be given to this. And this is the breakthrough Juran's improvement programs also will be concentrated. The all breakthrough follows the common sense sequence of discovery organizations, diagnosis also will be required, and also the corrective actions also will be required, and control also will be there. And suppose this product will be damaged during to this suppose on machines will be the defect, and also this product not will be controlled properly, then you have to immediately the require to the action on this the control of this, and also the diagnosis is the much more essential. And this breakthrough sequence is described and formalized in 16 session videotape workboards and the series entitled Juran and the quality improvement, which is the summarized also will be the concentrate. And another things which will be required to this you can see the on Pareto principles also will be the concentrate to this to these things by this the Juran contribution. You have to concentrate to this the 80 to 20 rules, and basically the for many events roughly the 80% of the effect come from the 20% of these causes by this the by the Pareto rules, and basically the 80% of this effect comes from the 20% of causes. Basically the few defect will be comes from this the not will be much more essential much more the less the more things also will be concentrated. Only the few cases, the few the 80% lovely will be comes from this the 20% rules, and suppose that this will be the 80-20. You can see the effort of this the 80%. 80% to 20%, and the result also will be comes to this this is the 80% is the green, but the 20% is the red. Therefore, the 20% of the effort product produced to this the 80% of the result, but the last 20% of this result consumes 80% of the effort, and this will be concentrated according to this the Pareto principles. For this many much more things also will be concentrated according to this Pareto principle. That means the most essential the roughly 80% effects come from this the 20% of the causes. This is the another masters also is given names the Crosby. The Crosby given some explanation, and also this will be some contribution is the here. And the Crosby is the first is known for this the concept of do it the right first times and zero defect. And suppose you have to concentrate to this your the quality, and fewer concentration not will be the 0% defect will become, which is the 5% defect is the much more essential, and this is the this 95% is a good quality product, and the 5% defect this is the very easily take of the system. But the Crosby, this is the not this is the concentrate not deal with the 5% defect, and this is the good quality product. You have to concentrate to this the zero defect, and then the according to your the zero defect product will be produced. Then this is the concentrate according to this the good quality product also will be defined. He defines the quality as conformance to requirement which is the company itself has the established for the product based directly on customers needs, and this will be required the based on the directly customer needs. And suppose you are the 5% defects you have to concentrate, then you have to not the fully satisfied by your this customers, and not will be fully satisfied by your the customer needs. For this this is the required for the directly the needs to this the customers. He emphasized the prevention management is very every area, and also he gives his own 14 points for the quality management which ever where different from this the 14 points of Deming. Deming also this will be concentrated. This will be the different from this the Deming 14 points, and the fourth this is the first essential for the zero defect. And the Phillips B. Crosby, born in West Virginia in 1926, and in influential authors, consultant, and the philosophers, a graduate of Western Reserve University, completed a degree of Obey College of Pediatrics Medicine. Wrote the bestseller Quality in is Free in 1979. Phillips Crosby Associate Incorporated published his books Quality is Free in 1979. The 14th step to quality improvement also will be concentrated. The fastest things is that the management commitment. This is the very most essential for the management commitment, because the all things will be depends according to this the management commitment. Suppose you are the management, this will be committed the zero defect product quality also will be launched in your market, and also this is the best quality or the number one product will be produced according to your the quality. For this will be the best quality product will be produced in order this the another things, and another labor worker the all persons also will be work dedicatedly, and the first will be required to this the management commitment. And the second things also will be concentrated the quality improvement team, and the another things also the few on teams also will be required that this will be the quality improvement team also will be here. And this quality improvement team also the required to this some training also will be there, and this team also will be concentrated to this some education also will be given that this is the analysis on this quality. Okay, and that's say the quality improvement team also will be essential. And the step 3 the quality measurement, and another team also will be required, and the quality is the measurement, the which is the good quality product, and the which things, and the which concentration will be this product will be the good quality product, and the few parameters also will be concentration according to this the quality measurement. This is the essential. And the number 4 step 4 will be concentrated to this the cost of quality evaluations, and quality evaluation the few cost also will be concentration, and this will be added to this the to your product, and for this will be required to this the cost of quality evaluation. And the quality awareness also will be much more essential to this the all persons in the employee, and that like your the labor worker, and all persons also will be required to this the quality as awareness also will be much more essential during to this the good quality product launch in your markets. And also this is the concentrate to this the quality improvement, and for this the quality awareness is the each and every week you have to require to this the quality awareness the meeting, and sometimes you have to concentrate to this the monthly meeting, and this is the your quality also good bad, and all things you have to display in your the all workers. And another is the corrective actions also will be concentrated to this the step number 6, and the corrective actions. Suppose you have to identify this problem, then you have to immediately take in these actions also will be required. This will be concentrated to this the corrective actions. And step 7 establish and add ad hoc committee for the zero defect program also will be the concentrate. You have to the all persons also will be concentrated to this the zero defect. Suppose you have to ad hoc committee also will be required. This committee always given some program for this the zero defect program. This for your product also will be launched by this the zero defect. And another is the step 8 also will be concentrated to this the supervisor training. And sometimes we can see that those person not will be the fully supervised, and but the one person, this is the educated person, will be given to this supply to this will be employment by this the company, then this is given by as a supervisor. But this is the not given the training, because of the during to this training period the company concentrate, this is a waste of money. But this is the not got not is the good process. For this will be required, the supervisor training also will be essential, because this supervisor required to gain knowledge the how this will be the supervised on the worker, and on your the concentrate according to your this product. For this the supervisor training also will be the much more essential. And the zero defects day also will be declared by this the management, the what is the zero defects day, then you have to concentrate according to this the zero defects day. And the goal settings also will be concentrated, you have to concentrate according to this the zero defect, the which type of product also will be launched in your market. And or you have to given the what is the goal, the error cause removal also will be required, the how you have to your error also the cause you have to remove. And you have to uprooted your this the root of the error, and for this will be concentrated according to this the error for the cause removal. And another thing is the recognition also will be the very much more essential, that these recognitions also the quality product will be the improvement, and also the worker is the energetic, and also this will be the interest to grow for the product also will be good quality product is the produced. And the quality council also will be essential. This quality council always the maintain this the quality, and this council always the given the different places, and also this will be the how we have to control your this the quality, that this will be council also will be essential. And the do step forward in do it over again and again, you have to concentrate the and my friends, the next classes also you have to discuss the contribution of Ishika and Taguchi. Thank you.